Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about income methods for calculating national income. Welcome to the second video of methods of calculating national income. Income method NDPFC. According to this method, income received by all the residents of a country for rendering their productive services are added up to national income. Components of factor income: compensation of employees, COE, rent and royalty, interest, profit, mixed income. Profit is equal to corporate tax plus dividend plus retained earnings. Now we will discuss about opening surplus. Opening surplus can be further expanded into income from entrepreneurship, profit, income from property, rent, royalty, and interest. Opening surplus is equal to profit plus rent plus royalty plus interest. If in the question opening surplus is given, then we don't need to find profit, rent, royalty, interest. If in question any one of rent, royalty, interest, profit is given and opening surplus is also given, then we will add both opening surplus which is given. Now how to find national income NNPFC from income of all residents of country NDPFC. At first we have to calculate NDPFC by adding COE plus rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit plus mixed income. Here COE stands for compensation of employees. By adding all of them we get NDPFC. Then we have to find NNPFC from NDPFC. NNPFC is equal to NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad NFIA. Then we get NNPFC national income. In this way we find national income by income method. I hope you all understand. For any query, then contact me on Gmail knowledgehub.aa11@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. We will discuss about components of factor income, COE, rent, royalty, interest, profit in the next video. Please do like and subscribe Knowledge Hub.